Hey guys, this is Tech Brothers. As you know, the camera is the highlight of Xiaomi Redmi S2, especially front camera with 16 megapixel sensor and flashlight. So we decided to make detailed test of Redmi S2 cameras. In this video we will talk about camera app functions and show you real sample photos and videos. Also, you can watch unboxing and performance test of Redmi S2 by the links in description. As I already said, Redmi S2 has 16 megapixel front camera with flashlight and f2.0 aperture. As for the rear camera, there is 12 megapixel main sensor and 5 megapixel secondary sensor. The main sensor has f2.2 aperture, while the second sensor is used for depth effect. The camera app of Redmi S2 has some interesting options. There are different modes on main screen, such as short video, photo, portrait, manual and others. By the way, you can use depth effect not only for rear camera, but also for selfies. Also, there are other useful functions for high-quality selfies, such as slender, big eyes, tone, and smooth. The video is recorded in Full HD resolution. Do not forget to enable image stabilization in camera settings. There are also slow motion and time-lapse modes. Now, let's look at sample photos. As usual, the shots in good lighting conditions are excellent. I'm really glad that today budget phones can take high-quality images in daylight. Some photos on budget phones are as good as on flagship devices. Redmi S2 has dual rear camera, so it can make images with bokeh effect or portrait mode. I cannot say it is perfect, but still good for budget phone. The main feature of Redmi S2 is front camera with 16 megapixel sensor and f2.0 aperture. It is even better than main camera. The selfies are really good. By the way, you can use depth effect on selfies. Of course, it uses software algorithm because there is only one sensor on the front panel, but it is still good. It's a pity, but Xiaomi budget phones cannot make high-quality images in low-light conditions. The quality is dropped significantly compared to daylight photos. Of course, you can still take good photos, but they will be a little grainy and overexposed. Xiaomi Redmi S2 has electronic image stabilization. You should enable it in camera settings menu. The video is very smooth. The maximum resolution is Full HD. Also, you can shoot slow-motion videos in HD resolution. Just like the photo, video in low-light conditions is not as detailed and bright as in daytime. So it was camera test of Xiaomi Redmi S2. As you can see, you can take very good selfies and photos on main camera in good lighting conditions. However, in low light conditions, it is not so good. It is the main problem of budget phones and even some flagships. Also, I am very pleased of image stabilization. The video is very smooth. In description under this video, you can find link to original photos and videos. Thanks for watching. The next video will be about battery of Redmi S2. Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.